What is this road sign? That's right. This is the traffic signals ahead sign. What is this sign? Well done. This is the pedestrians ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. This is the stop sign. Which sign is this? Good thinking. This is the no waiting sign. Name this traffic sign. This is the parking place sign. What sign is this? Well done. This is the give way sign. Name this traffic sign. Good observation. This is the no U-turn sign. Which road sign is this? Nicely done. This is the road narrows on both sides sign. Which traffic sign is this? Fantastic. This is the roundabout ahead sign. Identify this road sign. Impressive. What is this road sign? That's right. What is this sign? That's right. This is the no stopping sign. Identify this sign. Well done. This is the tunnel ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. This is the no entry for vehicular traffic sign. What is this sign? Good thinking. This is the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign. Identify this road sign. Correct. This is the no right turn for vehicular traffic sign. Which sign is this? Good observation. What is this road sign? That's Which sign is this? Nicely done. This is the children going to school sign. Which traffic sign is this? Fantastic. This is the T-junction ahead sign. What sign is this? Impressive. This is the warning sign. Which traffic sign is this? That's right. This is the zebra crossing sign. What is this road sign? Well done. This is the low-flying aircraft sign. Identify this sign. Correct. This is the two-way traffic sign. Identify this traffic sign. Good thinking. This is the slippery road sign. What is this sign? This is the steep descent sign. What is this road sign? Good observation. This is the falling or fallen rock sign. Name this traffic sign. Nicely done. This is the hump bridge sign. Which sign is this? Fantastic. This is the worded warning sign. What road sign is this? Impressive. This is the side road sign. What is this sign? That's right. This is the no overtaking sign. Name this traffic sign. Well done. This is the T-junction sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. This is the uneven road sign. What is this sign? Good thinking. This is the series of bends ahead sign. Identify this road sign. This is the traffic cues, likely a head sign. Which sign is this? Good observation. This is the wild animals sign. Name this road sign. Nicely done. This is the watercourse alongside road sign. Which sign is this? Fantastic. This is the soft verges sign. What is this road sign? Impressive. This is the traffic merges onto main carriageway sign. Name this traffic sign. That's right. This is the steep ascent sign. Which road sign is this? Well done. This is the frail pedestrians likely to cross sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This is the minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour sign. Name this traffic sign. Good thinking. This is the low-flying helicopters sign. What is this sign? This is the staggered junction sign. Identify this road sign. Good observation. This is the opening bridge sign. What is this sign? Nicely done. This is the pedestrians prohibited sign. What is this road sign? Fantastic. This is the end of dual carriageway sign. What is this sign? Impressive. This is the wild horse sign. Name this traffic sign. That's right. This is the slow-moving vehicles sign. What is this road sign? Well done. What is this road sign? What is this sign? Correct. This is the accompanied horses sign. Which traffic sign is this? Good thinking. This is the riverbank or quayside sign. What is this road sign? That's right. This is the traffic signals ahead sign. What is this sign? Well, this is the pedestrians ahead sign. Which traffic sign